Number 1. Impulsive purchases. Ever found yourself caught in the web of impulsive buying? It's a common struggle in today's world of easy spending. Dave Ramsey sheds light on this issue, emphasizing its impact on those facing financial challenges. The solution is to hit the pause button on desired items. When you come across something tempting, like those fancy shoes, challenge yourself to wait at least a day. Number 2. Wasted money on unused gym memberships. That gym membership draining your money. Instead of canceling, negotiate with the gym. Many offer flexible options or freezes on memberships. Discuss reduced rates or pay-per-visit or class-based systems with management. Stay motivated without hefty fees, exploring alternatives and optimizing finances while staying fit. Number 3. Late payment fees. Avoid letting money slip away through costly late payment fees. Dave Ramsey's advice is to set up automatic bill payments for financial independence. Most banks offer this feature, ensuring you never miss a payment. Save money and frustration from late fees. Take control of your finances, maximize savings, and steer clear of unnecessary expenses by setting up automatic bill payments today. Number 4. Costly coffee indulgence. That daily Starbucks costing over $5. Brew your own coffee at home for much less. Embrace the financial wisdom of Dave Ramsey, who encourages frugal living through wise choices. Say goodbye to expensive coffee runs and relish the satisfaction of brewing your cup of joe. Number 5. Dining out excessively. Dining out impacts your finances, according to Dave Ramsey. While cooking at home is cost-effective, you don't have to eliminate dining out entirely. Be mindful of your spending when eating out. Cooking at home saves money, can be a fun hobby, and allows you to embrace frugal living. Find easy recipes online, enhance your culinary skills, and enjoy delicious meals without overspending. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and let us know you're ready for more frugal content by commenting "I am frugal." Number 6. Excessive spending on cigarettes and tobacco. Excessive spending on cigarettes not only harms your health but also drains your finances. Dave Ramsey highlights the crucial need to break free from the costly grip of tobacco. Quitting is not just beneficial for a healthier life, it also saves hundreds of dollars spent monthly on cigarettes. Every dollar saved brings you closer to financial independence. Number 7. High-interest credit card debt. Credit cards are like cigarettes in the financial world, trapping you in an endless cycle of payments. Dave Ramsey urges you to liberate yourself from credit card debt. Paying them off and, more importantly, stopping their use altogether is essential. Number 8. Bottled water. Despite being phased out gradually, people still incur significant expenses on bottled water. Opt for tap water, which is likely drinkable and significantly lower in cost. Embrace the true purpose of your tap and start saving substantial amounts of money. Number 9. Paying for cable. Believe it or not, cable TV is still prevalent today, with 48% of Americans continuing to pay for it. Dave Ramsey advises cutting the cord to liberate yourself from the never-ending cycle of cable bills. Explore more affordable entertainment solutions through streaming services, aligning your choices with frugal living principles. Number 10. Expensive mobile phone plans. Managing your phone expenses involves considering both the phone plan and the cost of the device itself. Dave Ramsey suggests treating your phone bill as a debt to be tackled promptly. Prioritize it using the debt snowball method, setting you on the path to financial freedom and resulting in substantial savings. Number 11. Brand name clothing and accessories. Brand name clothing often comes with a significant price tag, but the reality is clothes primarily serve the purpose of covering our bodies. Dave Ramsey advises redirecting funds towards affordable alternatives. By doing so, you prioritize meaningful endeavors contributing to your overall financial well-being. Number 12. Extended warranties. Companies often push extended warranties for products, but they might not provide much value. Before buying an extended warranty, do some research and check if the product is already covered by the manufacturer's warranty. Avoid unnecessary spending on warranties and save your money for more important things. Number 13. Unused subscriptions. In the age of consumerism, accumulating multiple subscriptions for various networks and platforms is common. Dave Ramsey suggests avoiding overspending by choosing one network or service and rotating subscriptions monthly. Number 14. Excessive alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption might feel good at the moment, but it can take a toll on your finances. Dave Ramsey emphasizes that true happiness cannot be bought with money. Enjoy drinking responsibly as a pastime, but when it starts affecting your financial stability, consider cutting your alcohol intake. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. So we have a special surprise for you, which is the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below. Number 15. Convenience store snacks. Convenience store snacks can be tempting, but they chip away at your budget over time. According to Dave Ramsey, food is a common budgeting struggle. To reach your financial goals, avoid unnecessary purchases at convenience stores. Be mindful of these tempting snacks and opt for more budget-friendly alternatives. Number 16. Overspending on vehicles. Driving the fanciest car in your neighborhood might seem impressive, but Dave Ramsey provides a reality check. Excessive vehicle expenses rank high in wasteful spending. Remember, a car's primary purpose is reliable transportation. Consider a reliable used car instead, making life easier and saving significant money in the long run. Practicality over luxury is a step towards financial freedom. Number 17. Fast fashion frenzy. Fast fashion trends come and go quickly, emptying your bank account along the way. Instead of succumbing to the endless cycle of fleeting trends, Dave Ramsey recommends investing in timeless and classic pieces. A versatile wardrobe not only saves money, but also showcases your personal style without the constant need for new expensive clothing. Number 18. Neglected gym equipment. The enthusiasm for new exercise equipment often leads to purchases that end up collecting dust. Dave Ramsey suggests shifting your mindset. Instead of buying gear as motivation to work out, invest in equipment that complements your existing workout routine. Suitable gear enhances your exercise experience, motivating you to continue on your fitness journey without wasting money. Number 19. Generic medications. Dave Ramsey's advice extends beyond food when it comes to cutting expenses. Opt for generic medications over non-generic ones to save significantly on healthcare costs. Generic medications offer the same results as their non-generic counterparts, but at a lower cost. Make financially wise choices at the pharmacy, aligning your health and budget priorities. Number 20. Taming excessive data plans. Excessive data plans are prevalent today, but do you truly need all that data? Dave Ramsey suggests reassessing your data needs. Analyze your data usage and switch to a cost-effective plan that matches your actual consumption. Save money without compromising connectivity, making informed choices that align with your budget and financial goals. Number 21. Unused gift cards. Unused gift cards lying around. Put them to good use. Consider using those gift cards as presents for others or treat yourself. Instead of letting them go to waste, take advantage of them to score discounted gifts for your loved ones' birthdays or special occasions. It's a win-win situation that helps you make the most of your resources. Number 22. Unnecessary home decor. Do you really need that artificial plant in the corner of your desk or that fancy frame? Your home is likely beautiful as it is, and unnecessary decorations drain your hard-earned money. If you enjoy decorating, save money by creating your decor or buying pre-owned items. Dave Ramsey's frugal living principles extend to every aspect of your home, promoting wise choices. Before I reveal the top 5 frugal living tips, let's share some knowledge. Drop your best frugal living tips in the comments below, which might help others learn and grow. Number 23. Impulse upgrades. It's natural to desire upgrades for things you don't actually need. Dave Ramsey reminds us how we tend to buy unnecessary items on a whim. Break the cycle and realize that your current possessions are perfectly functional. Only upgrade when it's truly necessary, making informed decisions that align with your budget and financial well-being. Number 24. Unnecessary storage units. Renting a storage unit. You might be shelling out nearly $100 a month to store items that will likely never see the light of day. Instead of throwing away your hard-earned cash, sell those unused items and bid farewell to the storage unit. Declutter your life, make money, and own less for a more financially efficient future. Number 25. Expensive beauty treatments. Splurging on multiple beauty creams can be a costly habit. While indulging in beauty treatments is fine, ensure they align with your budget. Consider reasonable alternatives and think twice before spending excessively on skincare products. Be realistic and make financially wise choices for your beauty routine, contributing to both your well-being and financial health. Number 26. Wasteful splurges on expensive hobbies. We all have passions and interests, but when those hobbies drain our bank accounts without yielding financial benefits, it's time to take a closer look. Whether collecting rare stamps or indulging in high-end sports cars, lavish pursuits can quickly eat away at your hard-earned money. Number 27. Lavish vacations and travel. Indulging in luxurious getaways can quickly drain your financial resources. Poor financial decisions often lead individuals to prioritize extravagant vacations over building a secure future. Dave Ramsey sheds light on the pitfalls of such wasteful spending, offering guidance on achieving true financial independence. Discover practical tips and frugal living strategies to redirect your resources toward long-term financial well-being. There you have it, 27 things poor people waste money on. Do you want to know the best and smartest frugal living tips from the Frugal Grandma? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.